Both humans and animals suffer across the world due to climate change because of greenhouse emissions. For example, in Australia, over 1.25 billion animals died because of wildfires. As engineers and sentient beings, we feel the need to address and solve this issue.
Therefore, our team proposes a new innovation towards the current drone market with the introduction of a solar-powered drone for parking lot monitoring services. Our product consists of lightweight gallium arsenide solar cells serving as a renewable energy source in order to increase flight time as well as decrease contamination.
Our product will be primarily implemented as a parking lot monitoring system, which will revolutionize parking control by eliminating the utilization of surveillance vehicles that emit harmful gases. Our product will also contribute to economic savings, as any institution that adopts our design will be able to cut the costs related to buying a car and maintaining it.
Our drone will be built from scratch, with the aim of achieving a balance between weight and flight power. Using a DC to DC converter and an image processing system to recognize car plates combined with a Raspberry Pi 4 as a number computer, our end design product will be capable of not only capturing images, but also comparing them to a database and issue parking citations to infringers.
It sounds like something impossible, right? Like something crazy. But believe me, it is not. Our project is not only a drone, it's a new generation, it's revolution, it's future. If you want to help with our project, you can click in the link below. But believe me, the future is coming. We are the future.